Hello everyone. So as promised, today I will show you how to receive ADSB messages from the aircraft. So those are, I would say, digital messages that are sent from the aircraft to the airport to communicate what's the position of the airplane and what's its speed and what is direction. So that is actually I would say kind of digital radar that will show the current location of all of the aircraft nearby. Okay, to use to have it done, we need of course a smartphone with the kind of USB SDR dongle. So I'm showing this one that I'm using. So this is a new gen RTL-2832 SDR software defined radio, which is I would say high quality build. So this one is not so expensive, but it's something like 20 bucks. So you can see on the AliExpress that's the current price of it, but you may probably buy it cheaper than I did. So we also need this kind of I would say converter or adapter from the USB female to micro USB male, and also we need a decent antenna. So this is antenna for the band 2090 megahertz, so something around 1 gig. So you can pretty much receive on any kind of cable that has something like 13 centimeter length, but I have dedicated antenna with a 3-meter cable, and it also has a RCA connector to the dongle. So the dongle has RCA and my antenna has RCA to have the smallest loss as possible. And on the smartphone I will be using dedicated application that you can download in the Google Play Shop. So this one, if you put ADSB, you will get some applications. So I will use the ADSB receiver, which is free, but it will be sufficient just to show you what this pretty small thing is capable to do. Okay, now I will connect anything and we'll meet you in a couple of seconds. Okay, so just to let you know, if you are trying to do such a things like ADSB scanning, you need to switch off the SDR driver that was used for this radio scanning tool. I mean the SDR touch. So they do conflict with each other, so you need to switch one of them off. So like you see, I have already connected. So when I switched off this SDR RTL driver, the application has its own built-in, so it will connect to the device with no driver needed. And as you can see, it is receiving some frames from the aircraft on the frequency 1090 megahertz on this decent antenna from AliExpress for $2, and we'll see if it's getting any position of the aircraft. So let's see. Okay, so it actually found 2 aircraft. So I would need to increase a bit. It found 2 aircraft, so it's receiving something. Let's see them on the map. So on the map there's nothing yet. I believe we have to wait until we receive some more data. So you can see that the number of frames are increasing, but we have some of them with the bad CRC, so 1/5 of them is lost. As you can see, it can also get some weather reports, but I'm not getting any here. Verifying communication in 6 seconds. Not connected. It's dropping the communication with the dongle somehow. Only one aircraft is found. Okay, so you can see the first aircraft here. So this one is something like 200 kilometers far away from me. When we select this one, it will display information, current information received from these ADSB messages frames from this aircraft, directly from the aircraft. I think I'm having some problems with my dongle because it's trying to verify the communication every 20 seconds, so I don't know the reason for that. As you can see, there are already two aircraft found. It should display them on the map. Okay, so we can see the trace for first aircraft. So it is displaying current position and the vector of the distance that were already done about the aircraft. So like I said, this application is free, so there's a, I would say, paid revision of this one, so it probably shows some more data, but I haven't bought it yet. So it is just to show you how many things you can do with simple USB DVB-T tunnel. So this one is very, very powerful, so you can do many things with this using your smartphone and application dedicated. Let's see if there's any more. Only two for now. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you like it, just put subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye bye.